Okay, so Yasmin fell asleep eating popcorn. I mean, she fell asleep eating popcorn. Actually, it's kind of dumb, but it's kind of funny. And she has her stupid glasses. Where is she? They just saw you move. Ew, your popcorn mouth looks nasty.
Where at?
No, we're gonna dance.
Oh, okay.
Everybody.
Did you already upload it?
No, it's still going. That was the first one. Yes, ma'am, how we do it. By the way, my name's Jenna. Okay.
Music.
What song? This is how we do it. Okay, it's gonna be Party Rocket. Okay, ready? And don't even like, just dance. You guys probably not, but oh well. What? I know. And if you guys can see, she actually screamed. I know. Wait, hold up. This time. This time. Hey, make sure I ready to press first. I'm gonna shuffle. I'm gonna shuffle. I'm gonna shuffle. Wait. Good job. Yeah.
Hands up, hands up. You gotta go back. You gotta know how I made it before I was We're shuffling. What? There's not. Just throw it under the bed. No, that's sick. That's what we do with our team.
Don't hold it in a Remember, I'm Jenna.
I'm Yasmin.
Bye.